The TicWatch Pro 5 is the latest and greatest smartwatch from Mobvoi. It's packed with features that make it a great choice for both health and fitness enthusiasts. The TicWatch Pro 5 continues the tradition of excellence. Packed with advanced features and sporting a sleek design, this smartwatch is an impressive combination of style, functionality, and durability. The TicWatch Pro 5 boasts a modern and sophisticated design, suitable for both casual and formal occasions. Its stainless steel body and comfortable silicone strap make it a pleasure to wear throughout the day. At the heart of the TicWatch Pro 5 lies its remarkable dual display technology, which combines the power efficiency of a low-power LCD screen with the vibrant colors of an OLED display. This innovative approach ensures that the smartwatch remains functional even in battery-saving mode, allowing users to enjoy essential information at a glance without compromising on style or usability. The 1.43-inch display offers vibrant colors and sharp visuals, ensuring that notifications, fitness data, and apps are easily readable, even in bright sunlight. Additionally, the smartwatch features an always-on display mode that provides instant access to essential information while conserving battery life. Crafted with precision and attention to detail, the TicWatch Pro 5 boasts a sleek and premium design that seamlessly blends technology with aesthetics. Its stainless steel bezel, robust yet lightweight construction, and interchangeable watch bands make it an elegant accessory suitable for any occasion. The U.S. military standards for water and dust resistance rating provide peace of mind, as it can withstand immersion in water up to 50 meters for 10 minutes. Whether you're working out, swimming, or simply going about your day, this smartwatch is designed to keep up with you. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 Plus Gen 1 platform, the TicWatch Pro 5 delivers a smooth and responsive user experience. It runs on Google's Wear OS, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of apps and services. With 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, the smartwatch provides ample space for storing music, apps, and personal data. For fitness enthusiasts, the TicWatch Pro 5 offers an array of health and fitness tracking features. Equipped with a heart rate monitor, built-in GPS, and a variety of sensors, it accurately tracks your workouts, steps, distance, and calories burned. Whether you're running, cycling, or engaging in other activities, this smartwatch provides real-time feedback and detailed analytics to help you achieve your fitness goals. Additionally, it offers sleep tracking to monitor your sleep patterns and provide insights for better sleep quality. With the TicWatch Pro 5, staying connected has never been easier. Thanks to its built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC capabilities, users can seamlessly connect their smartwatch to their smartphones, headphones, and other devices, answer calls, respond to messages, stream music, and make contactless payments directly from your wrist, all while leaving your phone safely tucked away. The Google Assistant is readily available to assist you with tasks, schedule appointments, and answer queries, all through voice commands. With NFC technology, you can make contactless payments using Google Pay, providing a convenient and secure payment solution. To enhance its functionality, the TicWatch Pro 5 runs on Wear OS by Google, providing users with access to a vast ecosystem of apps and services. From productivity apps to music streaming services and everything in between, the TicWatch Pro 5 allows users to personalize their experience, making it an indispensable companion in both work and leisure. The watch face options are also plentiful, allowing you to choose from a variety of designs to suit your style and preferences. One of the most impressive things about the TicWatch Pro 5 is its battery life. Thanks to the new Snapdragon W5 Plus Gen 1 platform and Wear OS 3, the TicWatch Pro 5 can last up to 80 hours of use in full smartwatch mode. That's significantly longer than the battery life of most other smartwatches on the market. With the dual display technology and intelligent power management, this smartwatch can last for up to 45 days in essential mode, which displays only basic information. This longevity sets it apart from its competitors, ensuring that users can rely on TicWatch Pro 5 for extended periods without worrying about frequent recharging. In a nutshell, reasons to buy: excellent battery life, great performance, good health tracking updates, digital crown. Reasons to skip: only comes in one size, no cellular option, poor companion app. The TicWatch Pro 5 impresses with its stylish design, exceptional performance, and extensive feature set. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a fitness fanatic, or a busy professional, this smartwatch caters to a wide range of needs. Its long-lasting battery, comprehensive health and fitness tracking capabilities, and seamless connectivity with your smartphone make it a valuable companion in your daily life. With the TicWatch Pro 5, you can stay connected, motivated, and organized while effortlessly adding a touch of sophistication to your wrist. That's it for this review. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more valuable content in the future. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them. See you in the next one.